What is up guys, in this video we will learn to add thumbnail on our YouTube videos from Android.
Before starting the video, I would like to give random shout out to our subscriber. If you want to get shout out, then don't forget to comment below. Now let's begin the video.
At first, open Playstore. Search YouTube Creator Studio. Install the app, then open it. Select the video. Now click on costume thumbnail. Select your thumbnail. Then save it. By this way, you can add thumbnail on your video.
We are coming with YouTube series, so make sure to access our playlist YouTube series for beginners. Thanks for watching.